welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making my own birthday cake. So, as you know, I have a birthday in the spring. So this year I was thinking about what I wanted to make, and I couldn't decide between like 3 or 4 different possibilities. And eventually I said, you know what? I really love maple, but I haven't had it in a while. So I decided to make everything maple flavored, and that's why we've done so many maple recipes lately. So this is a maple brown on brown buttercream cake. So let's get started. This is a 6-inch maple cake filled and frosted with maple Swiss meringue buttercream. I frosted the cake and cleaned up the cake board. Then I had 2 different tones of brown in piping bags with medium open star tips. I piped a star border along the bottom. This is just a squeeze and release. Then I piped a reverse shell border along the top. This is loops going in opposite directions, right, then left. I piped some swirls on top of the cake. Then I piped a star border along the top edge of the cake. Then I switched to the darker brown and piped some stars on top of the lighter stars. I piped some stars between the loops on the reverse shell border. I piped a few stars around the top of the cake. Then I topped the swirls with a dark brown as well. Then I piped some small swirls along the side of the cake. Then I piped some lighter stars between the swirls on the side. I am really happy with this cake. I thought it turned out really pretty. It's festive without being too much with the understated colors. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cakes.